Mae Dylunio Mewnol, Mhrifysgol De Cymru, i gyd i wneud gyda adeiladu sgiliau a hyder i fod yn ddilynydd creadigol, meddylgar a paratoi myfyrwyr ar gyfer y byd gweithio go iawn. The interior design course is very much about considerate design, conservation and sustainability, and we focus quite a bit on adaptive reuse. So it's designing spaces and buildings of any sort. We work quite a bit with collaboratively set projects to allow for industry mentors to come in and guide the projects, and then our students present those projects to industry. There are quite a few companies that support the course, in particular Paramount Interiors in Cardiff. We've also worked with Rio Architects, and quite a few of the students are on placement with companies like Powell's and Oscar Smith Lord. The course gives students a full experience of what it would be like to be an interior designer.